I'm going to show you how to make a blue sunset. First, you're going to take your ice and pour it into your glass. Then you're going to add 1 ounce of tequila. Doesn't matter if it's gold, silver, whatever you prefer. Pour that in. Then you're going to add 1 ounce of blue Curaçao. Blue Curaçao is actually an orange-flavored liqueur despite its blue color. Then you're going to add a little bit of 7-Up, Sprite, whatever your favorite lemon lime soda is. Dash that in, just like so. You're going to add 1/4 of sour mix. So grab that. Pour that in your concoction. You're going to add 1/4 of orange juice. Looks like a blue sunset. It's pretty. And then you're going to take it, and you're going to mix it in your tin. Don't shake it. So just like that. You grab your glass, and you're going to pour it in, just like so. Even though it's a blue sunset, it's a little green. This is a tropical drink, so I suggest you add like a cherry or something fun in there to give it more zing. And you have a blue sunset.